So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage your browser's autofill settings. Now, in order to do it, just simply open your Google Chrome browser and open a fresh page. Now here you have to go to the your settings. Now you can find the settings over this top right corner when you click over this three dots. And here just simply go to this option which says settings. Once you go over there, in this left section, you're gonna find this option which says autofill and password, or you can just simply search autofill in the search bar as well. And once you go over there, here you're going to find the details about your autofills that are appearing, and you can check them, manage them, change them, or do whatever you want to do with them. Even they have the password, the payment methods, the addresses, the names, the email addresses, and many more. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.